Hoy vamos a practicar con los verbos ER y también con los verbos IR in el pretérito. Before we get started with our practice, why don't we go over our endings really quickly. The yo ending is I, the tu ending is iste, the el, ella, usted ending is io, nosotros, nosotras ending is imos, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes is iero. Necesitas sacar el paquete de práctica porque vamos a hacer 4 actividades en el paquete. Muy bien, ahora tenemos práctica 2, ¿qué hicieron? Necesitas escribir oraciones completas en el pasado. I'm going to try something new this video, and I am not going to show you the practice activity answers until we are in class together. So go ahead and pause the video now so you can complete the activity, and whenever you unpause the video, we will go directly to the next activity. Again, I will not be showing you the answers. Let's review what our verbs mean first, though. It's always important to know what our verbs mean when we're doing an activity. En número 1, compartir significa to share. Número 2, comer significa to eat. Número 3, beber significa to drink. Número 4, perder significa to lose. Y número 5, salir significa to leave or to go out. So go ahead and pause the video so you can do this activity. Ahora tenemos práctica 3, el campeonato de ciclismo. Necesitas completar las oraciones con la forma correcta del verbo entre los paréntesis. So you will be conjugating in this activity in the preterite tense. Remember your preterite endings. We do have a couple new ER-IR verbs in here that you might not be familiar with, like in número 1, correr significa to run. Número 4, conocer significa to know or be familiar with a person, place, or thing. Y en número 6, recibir significa to receive. So go ahead and pause the video at this time so you can conjugate your verbs correctly in the preterite tense. Ahora vamos a hacer otra práctica 2. Vimos la carrera, we saw the race. Necesitas completar el párrafo con la forma apropiada de los verbos de la lista. Tienes que usar un verbo 2 veces. So watch out, one verb you are going to be using 2 times. This activity is a little bit more difficult because you have to choose which verb goes where and you have to conjugate in the preterite. Let's review what our verbs mean again. Comer significa to eat. Compartir significa to share. Correr significa to run. Escribir significa to write. Perder significa to lose. Recibir significa to receive. Y subir significa to go up. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video at this time so you can complete this activity. Ahora vamos a hacer práctica 1. Fuiste al partido, did you go to the game? Necesitas completar la conversación con el verbo meter. You will only be using conjugated forms of the verb meter in the preterite. Remember, meter comes from our vocabulary phrase meter un gol, which means to score. So go ahead and pause the video at this time so you can complete the paragraph with different conjugated forms of the verb meter. Y finalmente tenemos la última actividad de práctica, práctica 2, los Juegos Panamericanos. Necesitas completar la conversación con los verbos recibir y correr. Remember that recibir means to receive and correr means to run. You'll have to choose if you should use recibir or correr, and then you also need to conjugate it to agree with the subject. Remember that it appears that there is a conversation occurring. Go ahead and pause the video at this time so you can complete the last practice activity.